Welcome to our farm YouTube channel.
Hey, gang.
Called Feet in the Dirt.
This one is called Kale. And she is a Nero de Toscana. Territorial seeds, shout out, gang. Great for the home gardener and the agricultural professional alike.
And how do you seed these?
With my hands.
Are they low light, lots of sunlight, easy, hard?
These are pretty hardy brassicas. They'll grow in the cold. They don't need full sun, but they'll grow better with more sun. That's typically the case.
They take a lot of water?
Well, I've come to realize that I don't really know shit about watering. And that I've been severely underwatering everything. So, to me, yes, they do take a lot of water. But I think compared to like a tomato, or a pepper, or a pumpkin, or a zucchini, no, they don't take that much. Things that are more juicy take more water. These are my seed hole.
What's in your bag?
A lot of greens, and not a whole lot else. Because that's what I like to eat.
Here's my dollar.
Give me my dollar.
Yeah, you're mean.
No one touched that dollar.
Can I have a cigarette? Chard, kale, spinach, mesclun mix. We should plant some of that. One seed every 1 to 2 inches. You got it, boss. Kentucky Wonder Bean. The birds and the bees. Sunflowers. What more do you need? Just somebody to eat it. Okay, every 1 to 2 inches. You want your seed sowing depth to be twice the diameter of the seed. So I'm basically just putting these on the surface of the soil, or as close to it as possible. Look at all this hole. This is a tangy mesclun mix. I don't know what that means. But watch out! But I'm putting more in per hole than they say to. I'm hard, bro. How's that? Fuck. I don't really know shit. I'll put the seed in the ground, seed grow. The mesclun mix is a salad. And it's gonna taste real good. This one is tangy. That's all I got. Lettuce. 'Cause we like lettuce. Greens are the healthiest though.
Yeah. I mean, you can do a lot with them, either way.
I think I've pretty much been eating like only greens for a hot second. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm covering them very gently because I think I might have planted them a little too deep. They'll still germinate. It just takes way longer for them to appear if you plant them too deep. So, this is garden bed 1. This are beans. At the farm, we haven't even planted our beans yet. Oh, we planted a little bit of them. A little early. But it's been hot as fuck. They've been planted for like over a month. They took quite a while to germinate. They're Kentucky blue. Kentucky Wonder. Kentucky, sure. This was beets. Bull's blood variety. These beets will need to be thinned at some point. 1 beet seed equals like 5 beets. This is an unidentified brassica. I think it's either broccoli. I think it's broccoli. Gypsy broccoli. This one is daikon, also a brassica. I think it's daikon. This one's spinach, which I'm surprised the germination was quite great. Regents F1 hybrid. Thanks, hybrids. This is Swiss chard. Beautiful little babies. Also, like 5 plants per seed, and I put multiple seeds per hole, so didn't know that. More broccoli. I think also broccoli. I have a fuckload of broccoli, and then these are Luke's transplants. I just planted some more Swiss chard in here, and some something else that I don't remember. It's Mr. Garden.